Hi, my name's Casey, and I'm going to show you my week one assignment for using Git and GitHub and uploading repositories into the directory and everywhere else that needs to go. So, the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you on here on my local drive how I have a folder for my homework. I have it on my desktop. If I go into backend coding, it's right here, week one homework. I already have this because I tried earlier and messed up. I have this Word document saved in here. So I'm going to pull it up on my command prompt. I'm going to go cd desktop just to make sure I type it right. I'm going to do directory. I'm going to do cd backend coding 2023. And I'm going to do directory again to make sure I type the right folder. I'm going to do cd week one homework. And therefore, I'm in the right directory where I want all of this to go. Then I'm going to jump over to GitHub. And like I said, I messed up earlier, so I already have a repository for this week. But if I was doing it again, I would hit new. I would type in the repository name, which mine is real week one assignment because I've practiced a couple times. I'd make sure it's public, and then I would hit create repository. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to follow the instructions over here for what I need to do to create a new repository. All right, so if I type in to directory for this, I can see that I have one file, which is my Word document file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this first line. I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to run a directory for this. And you'll see that that README file is now inside. All right. I'm going to come back. I'm going to add the Git in it. Control C. All right. And we can see where it's reinitialized my existing, because like I said, I messed up earlier. All right. And then I'm going to do the git add dot. So it'll add all files to where I need them to go. All right. And then we can do the git status. You'll see it's green and where I would like for it to go. All right. And then I'm going to do git commit, first commit, copy, paste. I can see that I have all those 3 files changed. You can see where I'm ready to commit those. I'm going to copy this one. All right. And then I'm going to copy the big long one. Copy. And then copy the last one. And I can see if I do my git status, you can see I'm up to date. I have nothing to commit. All right. And then I can go back over to GitHub. And with this, it doesn't really work when I refresh. Oh, it does work. Never mind. I can look that I have my README. It also put in my Word document that I have in there. All right. So if I go to this. I go down to my local disk, users, KC desktop, backend coding, week 1 homework. And let's say that I'm going to add a new text document. All right, so I'll put my new file. I'm going to go into it. I'm going to say add some text. All right, I'll save it. Close it out. All right. If I come down here and I type in directory, I'll see my new file. All right. If I hit get status, I know it hasn't been added yet because it's red. So I want to do get add dot to add all my new files. All right. Get status. It's green now because it's been added. So if I write git commit, I can spell commit right, -am, and I want to say added my new file and hit enter. I added my new file. And last but not least, put git push origin master. So as you can see, I kept getting some error messages. So I went to Google and tried to figure it out. And what I came up with and what I found is that in the new version of GitHub, they've changed master to main. So I tried git push origin main and I got it to come up. And I refreshed my screen and my new text file was added to my folder.